Today, I'm reviewing Lutron Caseta Wireless, one of the leading smart lighting systems on the market. If you're considering upgrading your home with smart switches and dimmers, this review will help you decide whether it's worth the investment. Lutron Caseta is known for its reliability and broad compatibility with various smart home ecosystems, including Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. One of the biggest selling points is that you don't need a neutral wire, making installation easier for older homes. However, that doesn't mean the setup is completely hassle-free. The system requires a bridge to function, which adds an extra cost and setup step. Once installed, the Caseta system offers smooth dimming, scene settings, and scheduling through the Lutron app. The app itself is user-friendly, but lacks some of the advanced customization features found in competing platforms. One of the best aspects of Lutron Caseta is its responsiveness. Commands are executed instantly, unlike some Wi-Fi-based smart lighting systems that suffer from lag. A major drawback is the price. The cost of individual dimmers and switches adds up quickly, making it one of the more expensive options in smart lighting. Additionally, while the system integrates with other smart home devices, the number of direct third-party integrations is limited compared to competitors like Philips Hue. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered GiftMeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. Another thing to consider is that while the bridge allows for remote access and automation, it does mean you have one more device to manage. If your internet goes down, local control is still possible, but you lose remote access until the connection is restored. In real-world use, Lutron Caseta stands out for its stability. Unlike some cheaper smart switches, there's no delay in response time, and the system rarely disconnects. If you're looking for a rock-solid smart lighting solution with reliable performance, it's a great choice. If you're willing to pay the premium price point, one downside is that if you're looking for color-changing lights, Lutron Caseta won't provide that. It's strictly for controlling dimmable bulbs and switches. If you want dynamic lighting options, you'll need to look at systems like Philips Hue or Nonolive. Overall, Lutron Caseta Wireless is best for homeowners who want a dependable, responsive lighting system that integrates with major smart home platforms. However, the higher cost and requirement for a separate bridge may be deal breakers for some. If reliability is your top priority, it's one of the best choices available. But budget-conscious buyers may want to explore other options. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more smart home tech reviews.